we're inside a cafe where coffee is self-served, and what you have to do first is select one of these roast types of coffee, pick up a disc, and then after placing a mug here, you slide the disc in, and then hit the button, this button over here. Something will happen. Wow, the light's blinking. And here comes the coffee. Wow, that is pretty amazing. There's a touch of individuality here in brewing coffee. Again, we choose a disc, pop it into the machine, hit the button, and there we go. Nice cup of coffee. I chose this via Reset Leto. This one, sorry. And it keeps coming down. Wow.